Good evening, all. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to grand finale episode of Lockdown Tales with Mini Fiesta. As you know, slow and steady things are getting unlocked. Slowly, socializing also will start in the social world. Gifting plays a major role. Let it be any occasion. Are you looking for best gift for your newborn? Do you want to give a unique gift for your loved one's wedding? Well, today's guest will help us out to find one. She is an artist who creates imprint of life moments through 3D life casting. Yes, 3D life casting, right? Interesting. She is Dimple Takrar, the founder of Molds by Dimple. Oh yeah, she's here. Hi Dimple. Well,
how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. Welcome to Lockdown Tales with Mini Fiesta.
Thank you to you. Thank you so much for giving me this beautiful opportunity.
What is this 3D life casting? Oh my god. The word itself is tempting, right?
Yes, it is because it's a lifetime memory, right? You can cherish it forever. Photography is good, right? It's great, but 3D life casting is really a very unique art.
Wow. So, what motivates you to learn this art?
Of course, my daughter Eva. Because when she was just 3 months old, I show an advertisement on my FB page, right? I love the concept, and we went to the one of the 3D life caster in Bangalore, right? I love the concept, but I didn't like the final output, and the price is very high. That time I thought to learn this art and give everyone a lifetime memory. And
Wow.
I started learning, and now I'm with you as a founder.
Yes.
As a founder of Molds by Dimple.
Wow. See, inspirations comes from nearby you. Just
Yeah.
you need an idea to click to start an entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Wow. From where did you learn then this casting? You just had a thought, you went for your daughter, but how about learning this process happen?
I search a lot about my tutor. Like there is a one 3D life caster in Dubai. I got to know about her and I contact her, and she taught me this beautiful art. And throughout my journey, she always ready to help me a lot. She always helped me. Yeah, she is Dubai and I am in India. But this internet is like blazings for us, and she taught me, and now I am doing this art in India, in Bangalore, for
That's
you
what.
all.
Yes. So that's what. Now this era is about on a social, with web era. You do not need to meet a person anyhow, but you will get what you want. That's it.
Yes.
Just you need an internet connection on your phone, probably, or Wi-Fi at home. You are done with that.
That's true. That's true.
Everything is handy with when you have this too with you, and the passion definitely.
Yes.
Wow. If you can tilt your camera, still I'm not able to view you full.
Now,
Wow.
okay?
This way, yeah. Great.
I just want to ask everyone, you all can able to hear me and Mamta?
Yes,
Okay.
they are. Great. So, you learned. Then how this concept behind Molds by Dimple came in the mind?
See, concept is freezing memory, right? Freezing memory. I have so many designs, right? But I just want to give everyone a lifetime memory with the best price first and with the best quality. And I think customer satisfaction is greater than anything. So I really love my job, I really love my work, and I'm doing this work, I'm doing this art, I'm doing this everything for my customer, and to give everyone a lifetime memory.
Wow. Nice, no? When something inspired kick, when something is wanted for you, you've gone for yourself, then you learned that art, now you started that. It is a nice memory where everyone should hold it. Where this
Yes,
concept, guys, this
especially
concept
you
is
can.
very, very, very new in India.
Yes, you can hold it, you can touch it, and this is not a a short time memory, and this is not a memory like you can put in the box or in the cupboard. This is a live memory. You can see castings
Yes,
behind.
she has she has a wall full of casting, by the way.
Yes.
We will do one sometime after this lockdown to cover her wall. Yeah.
Sure.
Great. If you can explain the whole process behind this 3D live casting.
3D live casting process, yes. It's a very very safe process. First we make a mold to take a measurement, right? If you want a forecast, like
Mm-hmm.
this is a one cast, right?
Okay.
Uh, this is a two cast,
Two
one
cast.
hand and one
Leg.
feet, right? So if you want forecast, it takes around 45 minutes, and if couple want it hand cast, then it will take around 20 to 25 minutes. So this is the first step. Molding is the first step to taking a measurement, right? After that, with some techniques, we do a casting, and after that drying time, painting time, and finishing time, and then we do some artwork if they want, right? Because we customize the frame, so we do some artwork, and our last stage is the framing stage. We sealed it and framed, and then we give to the customer. So it is a very long process. It is not a quick process, or we cannot say it is a one day process. It takes lot of time.
Wow. So you have to take a measurement, then take a mold. You probably will be taking a backup mold also.
Yes,
Then all this. Oh my God, the process itself is looking like you need to go to frame guys
quite
to
a
get it frame
process.
done. Oh,
Yes.
so how many members in your team, lady, you have?
One man army. I am only one.
Wow.
No team.
See,
I am only. Huh?
see, this is how the women of India is leading the market now. I can say the one-man army. I don't need anyone else. That's it. I am on my own.
Yes,
Wow.
because it is art, right? So I
Correct.
don't want anyone to how they work, how I work is totally different. So I think I don't want anyone. I don't any help. If it takes time, it's okay, but I do it alone.
Great. Yeah. If the team is there and if they don't give that personalized touch which you want to give to your clients, probably the
Yes,
process might get different. So
yes.
that's how the unique concept of Molds by Dimple, she do it as a one-man army. Wow.
Yes.
So is this cast or the impression is going to be ready for me to take away home
No,
right
no, no.
right
As I
away?
explained, no, no, that is not possible. As I explained, no, that is not possible because there are so many steps, right? For the, for the final output. First, we take measurement. After that, casting process, demolding, drying time, finishing time, painting time, and framing work. So this is not a one-day job or a quick process. This process takes 4 to 5 weeks. So if you want to give me an order, please give me plenty of time. At least 4 5 weeks I need.
Wow. So if you have this much right process, there will be certain risk and challenges to complete this process, right?
Uh, Yes, there is not any risk. I must say there is not any risk. But yeah, there are so many challenges because we are working with babies. Yeah, right. We are working with babies starting from 15 days of age.
Wow.
Right. Sometimes, yeah, sometimes they are cranky, they are sleepy, they are hungry, so they don't support us to take impressions properly, right? So, it is taking so much time, and you required lot of patience for that. So yeah, that is the real challenge for us.
Yeah, I know. So if you're working with babies, right? So if you're working for a baby with the 15 days, right? Just a newborn. 15 days is just a newborn, right?
Yes.
You might need to, they might not open their hands, they might shrink and keep their hands. So are you fine or how it works? So you wait for them to open up or you take the molds as their hands are, as the natural go? Or how
Uh,
the parent wanted. Probably parent wanted their hands to be open, but the baby doesn't open at all.
Yeah, we tried a lot. If possible, we can do that. And I am a mother. My daughter is turning 3 in 12th of June, right? So I know how to handle them. So I can handle them easily, right? And uh, it takes time, but we give them time, and that everything they want. And after that, we take the impressions.
Wow. So, okay. So how about this, this is a lengthy process, right?
Yes.
Many people have a mini query on the costing range from where it starts, right? If you can help our viewers, if you're
Yes.
fine, then
My starting range is 4,000, right? So it starts from 4,000 to all the way to 20,000. It
wow.
all depends on numbers of castings, right? How many casts they want, and then type of frames, right? Numbers of photos, and the size of the same type of frame and other customization work, right? So it's depend on them. But my starting price is 4,000.
4,000 with one hand or two hand or how it is?
Yes, it is with one casting, one hand,
One hand.
inner shadow
So if
and
I have to
spring.
go for two hand casting, it's double the price.
Yes.
Simply. Great. Wow. So tell me, do you work with event planners like me
Oh,
for
like
any
you,
return gift
yes.
options?
This is not a return gift option actually. I
Correct.
have not worked with any event planner yet as of now, but I would love to work with them in future. If there is a good opportunity, I would love to work with them, sure. But
Great,
I make
great.
sure this is a not a return gift because the
Yeah,
price is, yeah, the price is little bit higher for them. So
I
maybe.
know. I know. Tell me how this COVID-19 have affected your business.
Oh, COVID-19, yeah. I think this is the time to be safe than doing business, right? Casting is a process that involves being closer to clients. And it's not about the money to me or losing business, right? It's about keeping all of us safe first and not putting anyone at risk. So,
Correct.
this is my thoughts.
Correct. You chose to be safe and let be other also be safe from your side.
Yes, and our health is everything, and our family is everything for us. So for me, it
Correct.
is not about money. I'm not working now, right now. Uh,
Yeah, but I know you will soon get a good clients. Don't worry.
yes, yes,
Wow. This helps me to clarify all my maths on 3D casting, how it goes, what it happens. Wow, Dimple, thank you.
thanks to you.
Yeah, great. So, are you ready for next round? We will have some fun short of a round.
And
It will
next
be
round
fun
is
round.
Okay,
It
I'm
will be a
ready.
rapid fire. So
Oh my
I'll
God.
ask you a question, whatever comes to in your mind, give me the answer.
Oh
Great.
my God. Okay,
See, I
ready.
heard about 3D live casting. There is one more thing called as a wax hand. What is the difference between these two?
Wax hand is a plastic hand, and
Okay.
our products, yes, and our product is a, you can see, and you can check the details, right?
Mm.
We capture all the minor details, and it is a lifetime memory, right? We framed it and then we give it to you. So this is a lifetime memory, and this is not a plastic. This is a heart. So
This is
so
hard. I can hear the sound.
tuck, tuck, tuck.
Yeah. Tuck, 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 tuck.
Yeah.
Yes. So, are the material used here are kids friendly and non-tonic?
Yes, the material is non-toxic, and we actually working with babies, right? So we use organic material. So it is a fun process, right? And it is a very safe process.
Oh, so anyone can go ahead and do it. Are
Yeah,
you
just don't
using
worry
POP
about
as a material? Sorry, Dimple, I'm sorry.
uh, this is a safe process. Just don't worry about that. Just don't worry about the material.
Oh, okay. So not a POP as a material, right? I heard many people are using POP as a
Yeah,
material, that's
many
why.
people are using POP, but we are, at least I'm not using POP because POP has not that lifetime memory, so we are not using POP. I'm not using POP. And whenever you want to, want this product, please confirm with your caster about, these materials.
Great. Is the process is going to be messy?
No, not messy. It's a fun process. You will enjoy. I know that.
Okay. Oh, wow. Do you cast for a family pet such as a dog and cat?
Yes, I can.
You can, but you haven't got opportunity still. Or you got
No.
opportunity.
No,
You
not
haven't.
yet.
Okay. Okay, guys, listen out. The pet lovers, you can go ahead. Hmm.
Yes.
So, do you offer a photography service? Like, if they want to capture all those moments, what is happening? Do you have? Uh,
Uh, I'm not doing photography, but yes, I can suggest some photographer for sure.
for sure. So, you have a couple of photographers whom you can call
Yes.
if a client required. Wow.
Yes.
Oh, lots of fun we have here, right? So now let's move little towards off topic from 3D live casting and let's have a fun.
Yes, done. I'm ready.
You are ready? Okay.
Yes.
So one superpower wish you had as a mother.
One superpower
Wish if you had as a super mother. As a mother.
as a mother. I think all mother has that superpower in them. I feel
No
that.
required for additional superpowers, right? God have already
Yes,
given many.
exactly. Yes, exactly. We all are superwomen. Yeah.
Great. What is your favorite superhero movie?
I don't watch movie. Not
Not a
interested.
superhero. You don't have any fantasy like superhero fantasy movies. Oh my
No,
god.
I love
Okay.
art. I love
You
my
just
art.
love art. Okay.
Yeah. In quarantine days, I
Okay.
just
Then which art movie you like?
I
Artistic
actually
movie.
uh I actually don't watch the movie. I don't like to watch sitting in one area, one sofa, and you wasted 3 hours, I think. So I am not a a movie person.
Movie person. Oh my god. Okay. Tell me if you have to work with any artist, right? In a future, whom would you want to work and why?
Artist.
Can
Uh,
be same field or can be from any other field also. It's not a problem.
Yeah, there is one artist. Uh, their name is Hunar. Hunar. The same professional we have, they are in Gujarat, right? And
Okay.
I really love to work with them.
Oh,
I,
if you get an
yeah,
opportunity,
yeah.
you will work with them. Great. Oh, wow. Tell me one beautiful moment of your life as a mother and as an entrepreneur.
Oh, when Eva, my daughter, was born, that is a miracle, and that is a moment for me. And when I launched my Molds by Dimple uh, page, Molds by Dimple, when I started my journey, when I launched that both days are like a dream come true for me.
Wow. Any other moments which you can relate to your business, which you want always to keep as a lifetime memory, or which cheers you to keep moving further?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, I was asking you any other moment which motivates always whenever ups and down you face your business, but that one moment kicks you out, okay, no, I want to do this.
Yes, there are so many moments, and first I want to say that my husband is a great motivator, and
Oh,
he is the person. He is always saying me that do something. If you want to do casting, please go ahead. If you want to do some other arts, please go ahead. Do whatever you do. अपनी जिंदगी जी लो जैसे भी जीनी हो, राइट? तो
Chini.
ही इज अ ग्रेट मोटिवेटर, एंड ही इज द पर्सन जो मुझे कभी ऐसे नहीं बैठने देगा. ही इज द पर्सन जो मुझे बोलेगा कि कुछ करो, राइट?
Kuch karo, yes. Live your dreams. Go ahead and live your dreams.
यस.
Lucky you are. Good, good. Okay, one task for you. Great. Promote Molds and Molds by Dimple page and Mini Fiesta page in your style.
Oh my god, in my style.
Yes,
Okay. Uh, Mini Fiesta and Molds by Dimple both are working for your memories, right? We want to give you best memories with the best price, and your memories, your happiness is everything for us. We live for that. We both love our work very much, right? And please be vocal for local, and like
correct.
and follow our page, and support us.
Wow. I'll appoint you next time for my marketing, definitely. Every time,
पक्का
whenever
है
I feel there should be
जानू.
some marketing person who can market me, I'm going to call you. That is for
Sure,
sure.
I'm ready. I love to work with you. Sure.
Same here. I will. It's my pleasure if you work with me. Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Super mother or super woman, what I call you, or super woman which creates lots of super moles.
Yes, thanks to you, Mamta, for giving me this beautiful opportunity, and I really, really love to work with you, and all the support, because I am a mom, and it's a lockdown. I don't have any help right now, so you always are ready. You always are like, okay, take your time, and we will talk to later. So that's the touchy thing about you. I really love and I really appreciate that you are
Thank you.
really very supportive, right? I really, really thanks to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dimple. Thank you for joining with Mini Fiesta on live with Instagram.